Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Style. Today I'm here with blue and pink Hello Eye makeup look. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So as always, I'm starting with priming my face with Maybelline Master Prime so that my makeup lasts long and for good base for further makeup. Focusing mainly on my T-zone as it tends to oily. For hiding my happy pigmentation, I'm applying concealer around my mouth and forehead. This concealer is close to my skin shade and it's from Porkfield in shade number 4. And I'm blending with my finger to give more flawless finish. You can also use orange color corrector for correcting your hyperpigmentation. Today I'm going to use this Oller flat foundation brush for applying foundation. It is so versatile brush to use. Today in this video I'm going to apply foundation, concealer and even contouring with this brush. This brush is so soft, dense and bristles are stiff. You can see it doesn't leave any brush stroke due to its shape. Easy to apply around your nose corner. Also easy to prime your eyelid with concealer or foundation. For more coverage, use dabbing motion. So for eye makeup, I'm using my Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow in palette number 1. For transition shade, picking this pink shadow and softly apply above my crease line. And also smudging that shadow over my outer V of eye, giving circular motion for soft application of shadow. Next, picking this violet shade, applying on outer V of eyelid to intensify the color. For more soft application, I'm also applying it in a circular motion. And for the crease line, I'm taking this purple color and also diffusing with the previous violet shade at the outer V corner of eye. Now picking this blue shimmer shadow, apply it on center of lid. At first I try to apply the shimmer with the brush, but it doesn't pay off the color. Then I apply it with my fingers to get more pigmentation and color payoff. Then softening the edges with the brush. To get more tint to the eyeshadow, I'm picking this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and picking this shimmer shade from the big fluffy brush and slowly dust it off over my eyelid to get more shimmery and tinted effect look. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking this pinkish shimmer shade from the Hilary Rhoda palette number 1 and apply it with pencil brush. Before applying concealer to my under eye, I'm dusting off any fallouts. Again picking that pink shadow and apply under my lower waterline. For this eye makeup look, I'm not going to create eyeliner, only I'm going to hide the lash band. The pen liner I'm using today is of Faces Canada and applying kohl at my lower waterline using Wet n Wild kohl pencil. For finalizing eye look, apply thick coat of mascara at lower lash line. Applying concealer under my eye using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade Caramel and also applying it over my nose bridge and cupid bow. Applying concealer above jawline is totally optional, My face is broad. To give more slim appearance, I am applying concealer above my jawline. Again picking my Aller foundation brush to blend concealer. You can see it is so easy to blend concealer and also to reach inner eye corner. For contouring, I am taking Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in shade F18, rubbing it over my back of hand and picking with that brush. I am going to contour my face. Due to its flat shape, it is easy to get sharp contour or smudge contour, and also easy for contouring your nose too. If you don't want to keep a pile of brushes for every makeup step, pick this brush for application of foundation, contouring, concealer, and even a cream blusher can be applied with this brush. One brush for everything. If you want to purchase this brush, link is given below in my description box. You can purchase it from that link. Setting my under eye with loose powder. For blusher, I am picking this pink shade from Shivana highlighter and blusher palette. And for highlighting my highest point, taking this peachy shade from this same palette. Lining my lip with this brown shade from Miss Claire. And for filling lips, I am using this additive lipstick in shade Mad About Pink. Using tissue paper, I am mattifying the lipstick, and over the top of that lipstick, I am going to apply Makeup Revolution Wow lipstick. And this is the complete look, and hope you like this video, and please give a moment to share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.